kind of like 960GS. Twitter Bootstrap has some of it built in there. And the idea here is that, you know, there's all these ways that we can chunk pages up. And so we'll just put these classes on different areas, and we'll say this one's a left column, this is a middle column, this is a right column. And it kind of works, but it kind of doesn't, because it really locks you into the layout that you've picked. It's very difficult later to move things around. So by separating concerns and not mixing your design, your layout into your HTML, then that's the idea of an API. That's the job of the CSS, to move things around, and it's the job of your content to be content. Browsers. I mentioned earlier the thing about, you know, fixating on, you know, oh, we don't support this, or we just use WebKit, or we do this. And the problem with that is you get into this like flavor of the month thing. So what version of Chrome are we on now? Is it 12? I don't even know. Firefox, I think maybe 13. I read something today about new features in Firefox 13. And then I think Facebook just bought somebody, Opera, somebody was thinking about it. Facebook browser, my goodness. And then, you know, we're getting mobile browsers all the time. So instead of focusing on a browser, supporting browsers is really a losing battle. If you think back, if you wrote some code, I mean, think about government websites written for IE6, and they're stuck, supporting IE6. And then there's this problem: we can't update our, computers because we need IE6 and all this stuff. And the problem is focusing on browser support. So instead,